In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a blog in Webflow. This is an exciting way to express your thoughts, share valuable content, and perhaps even start a new hobby or business venture. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Webflow, this guide will help you understand the steps necessary to create a functional and visually appealing blog. We're going to start our journey by heading into your Webflow project. Once you have your project open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Webflow's interface is user-friendly, but it's always a good idea to get comfortable with your surroundings before diving into the actual creation process. The first step is to navigate to the CMS. The CMS, or Content Management System, is where the magic of dynamic data begins. By building your blog here, you're setting yourself up for smooth content updates and a scalable site structure. Once in the CMS panel, look for an option that says Create a Collection. This is a pivotal step. What you're doing here is setting up a blueprint for how your blog posts will be structured. Click on Create a Collection, and you'll see that Webflow offers various templates to get you started. For our purpose today, select Blog Posts. Now with the Blog Posts collection, you'll need to fill out the necessary fields to define how each blog entry will look. This includes fields for the title, body content, author, publish date, and any other information you deem necessary for your posts. This detail will help your blog not only look organized, but also function efficiently as more posts are added. After meticulously filling in the collection fields, proceed by clicking Create Collection. Webflow will then generate the framework needed for your blog. This step defines the skeletal structure that will support all your written content. Creating the collection is like building a house's foundation, strong and structured, ready for the design and decoration that will follow. Now that you have your collection set up, take a moment to visualize how your blog will appear once filled with engaging content. To recap, you accessed your project, entered the CMS panel, created a collection for your blog posts, and filled out the required fields. By following these steps, you've crafted the backbone of your blog. Webflow offers endless possibilities for design, so feel free to explore and personalize every element, making your blog uniquely yours. Remember, as you publish more posts, updating or editing your collection is simple and intuitive. You're now equipped to not only share your voice with the world, but do so with a sleek, professional-looking blog. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing what amazing content you come up with. Happy blogging,